Hi, I'd like to thank LePure for sending me these Snail Mucin masks to try out and give you my opinion about these. And so I have been trying them. These are so nice. So I normally do use Snail Mucin on my skin, but these are kind of a nice self-care, take some time to moisturize your face type of thing in the mask. It takes 15 to 20 minutes and it makes your skin feel so nice. I'm going to show you that I did it, but I just want to show you what it looks like here. These come individually like this, and it's a box of 10. So another fun thing is you could do like a girls trip. We've done that before, take a girls trip, and then everybody, one of the evenings, you're hanging around and laughing and talking, and you have your Snail Mucin mask on. So very fun. Glycerin, ginseng, cucumber, a lot of really good ingredients along with the Snail Mucin. So what you're gonna do, open up the package, put it on your face, let it sit for 20 minutes, and then you peel it off and just kind of pat it dry. So let me show you how to do this. So you're going to start with clean skin, and you can put a serum on first if you normally use a serum. And then you just open the package and unfold the mask. And when I first unfolded it, I was like, how does this go? But then I saw that I had it sideways. So so you're gonna turn it around so that you've got your eyes, nose, lips, and then just place it on your skin, smooth it out. I had like a fold at the top on my forehead, so I fixed that fold, and then I left it on for 20 minutes by my watch. And then when I was all done, I just peeled it off, and then you just kind of pat what's left on your skin, just kind of pat it into your skin until it's dry. It felt so good, very moisturizing. I highly recommend this.